What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video after so long. We're back with another vlog, and this vlog is going to be the last vlog from Delhi, and because we are moving out, so we are packing our stuffs, luggages and bags, and we also need to pack some things which are going to be sent via mail, email. And yes, we have a lot of things, things we need to carry, things we don't have to carry, like utensils and all. And says thank you. Oh, and guys, before we go ahead, please go and subscribe to my wife's new channel. She has a channel, and if you understand Nepali, please go and subscribe, because it is in like Nepali language. I'll leave the link in the description below, and show her some love. And she's trying. It's her first time making vlogs, so yeah. You wanna say anything?
No, just keep supporting and thank you.
Nice. Okay, so we'll pick everything. I will show you in time lapse. I will do everything in like and then it will be over in a while. So yeah, and I just wanted to make this video because I wanted to give a shout out to my wife, and I appreciate her for being so supportive. Thank you.
Welcome.
And she's the most prettiest woman in the world. So.
Aww.
All right, so guys, let's pack things. Let's go. So we have packed one. This one, it seemed really heavy. We packed it real tight, and the weight was 14.7 kgs only, not even 15 kgs. I thought this will exceed 15. I mean, it will exceed 20 kgs, and then the remaining we'll put here. But now we have to put around 15 kgs in this one, because this too will be the check-in. So we need to pack it as tight as possible. I mean, we need to compress it, and then this one, small one. This one will be. What do we call that? Yeah, this one will be in flight, so we'll take it inside. And we have backpack, so the backpack and this one will be the two items. So yeah, let's pack again another one. Let's go. Now it's time for chai. So we have packed those two check-ins. So total they are like 31 kgs, but we'll adjust. And bro is also here, and we are having snacks now, chai snacks. And we still need to pack this one. This is carry-on, which has only shoes for mom, dad, and our old shoes. And we still have one backpack hanging behind the door and tote bag for my missus. Okay, and we still have all this, which will be carried in this small baggy thing. Much later. So everything is packed now. This one's handheld. It's 8 kgs, and these two combined 31 kgs. I think it will be fine. And we haven't packed this one because tomorrow we have to go to Sarojini. We need to buy some outfit for her, dresses and kurti and some short coat. And after that, we still. Oh, I'll wear this one. Mic will be in her bag, or maybe I can carry in this. And my laptop also in my backpack, and some electronic items and everything. So that's pretty much it. And so guys, please subscribe to Hasina's channel and show some love and leave a lot of comments. And if you know Nepali language, keep watching. If you don't know Nepali language, just subscribe and ignore the channel. It will help because we need a lot of subscribers, at least 1000. So even if you don't watch, please go and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Catch you up again in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.